going to be working on Deep Pockets today. It's number 33 on page 9 in our Essential Elements books. We are looking at the bell portion, so of course the second half of the book. And we're not going to do a playthrough today. We're just going to take a peek at a couple of the different sections. We have the playthrough that you can go along with either through your Essential Elements Interactive website, or you can take a look at the video that was posted on Monday. But either way, what we're doing right now is we're going to be starting with our right hand on our B flat, and we're going to be going down to the A. So instead of kind of B flat and up, which we're used to, we're going down to the A. So it's B flat to A, and then B flat, C, D. So we do this a little bit of a crossover. So it's nice to just chunk this into multiple pieces and then just look at, maybe 2 measures at a time, make it very manageable. So let's play this together, starting on the B flat, nice and slow. 1, 2, ready, here we go. Now B flat and to A. Now quarter notes. Good, all right, and try that a few times. We have the next 2 measures. Again, we have C, A, B flat, 2, 3, 4. So of course it's half note, whole, 2, 3, 4. Let's try that together. 3rd and 4th measures. Ready, set, on the C, here we go. Now C, down to A, and to B flat. All right, now the next 2 measures, same as the beginning, B flat, A, B flat, C, D. So it's the same as the beginning. It really just repeats itself again. Now the ending is a little bit different. We're going to be jumping all the way up to E flat, right hand, C, left hand, cross over with the right to A, and then up to your B flat. So we're going to have, again, and that one's going to ring out. Okay. So if you break everything up into 2 measure chunks and you get used to it and build up a little bit of a muscle memory, it'll be much easier when you put it all together. The next thing you want to do is try to look at your music more than you are looking at the keyboard. So look down, see where you are, and then look back up at the music. Because you're working in such a small space, it's actually easier than you think to not get lost at where you are. It's easier to get lost when you're staring at the keyboard and not at the music. So give this a shot, guys. Please spend a little bit of time with this, and let me know how you do. Thank you so much. Have a great rest of your day.